Welcome back, viewers. Today, we're diving into a journey through the beauty of traditional Malay house design, a style that gracefully blends natural elements with intricate craftsmanship. Starting with the exterior, Malay houses often stand elevated on stilts, not only as a safeguard against flooding but as a clever way to keep the interiors cool in a tropical climate. The use of rich, natural wood and beautifully carved details give these homes an elegant yet inviting appearance that feels in harmony with nature. As we move inside, you'll notice the living room is set low to the ground, often adorned with woven mats and cozy cushions. This setup creates a warm, communal space that encourages family gatherings and a sense of unity. Then, we have the bedroom, a true sanctuary. Here, natural materials shine through, from the wooden walls to the carefully crafted bed frame, often draped in soft fabrics. This combination brings a touch of simplicity and tranquility, perfect for relaxation. In the kitchen, traditional Malay aesthetics combine with functionality. The open layout and rustic wooden surfaces, complemented by pottery and woven baskets, create an environment that feels both practical and warmly inviting. Finally, let's step into the courtyard. This open-air space is often decorated with tropical plants, bamboo furniture, and soothing water features, creating a peaceful retreat right at home.
Don't forget to click the like and subscribe buttons. Thank you.